So next one is physical agents. Physical agents. So in physical agents, as we know, there is a heat. Actually, heat is most reliable method for sterilization. Means most widely are used method. Most reliable method of sterilization. Sterilization. So here we will see what is a mechanism. Means what we do, what this did. So here we will get for mechanism there will be protein destruction or protein denaturation. Protein denaturation. Actually, how this occur? So it occur damaged by oxidizing molecule. Oxidizing molecule. Oxidizing molecules, and also there will be destroying cells and toxic agent of evaluated level of electrolytes. So here destroying cells and toxins, effect of evaluated level of electrolytes. So actually, for the mechanism, we are seeing that there is a protein denaturation, by which process there is a process that is called oxidation. So there a protein denaturation is occurred by the oxidizing molecules. And one thing is there will be destroying cells or toxins, effect of evaluated electrolytes. First one is flaming. So in flaming, here we will see that is a wire or loop. With the help of that, we throw the flame on the materials which we have to sterilized. So with the help of, there is an inoculating loop or wire. Loop or wire. With the help of that, we actually what happened that we do here forceps and searing spatules. Actually we pour these flames on these forceps and searing staples till it get red. So till it become red hot. So by this way we do sterilization with the help of flaming. Next one is incineration or burning. This is we also say this is an excellent method. Method for sterilization. For this and for destroying chemical waste. Chemical waste For example, here we will see plastic or and polythene. Plastic and polythene. After that we will see hot air oven. This is a method which is used most widely. So most widely used method for sterilization. But right. So here we will in actually hot air oven we give many kind of temperature for the sterilization, like 160 degrees Celsius, 150 degrees Celsius, and we also decided the time on which time this sterilization will be completed. So if we will hold for period of 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. So for the 160 degrees Celsius, we hold for 2 hours for the sterilization of such things just like glass was, forceps, scissors, scalpels, and other all glasses, syringe, and swabs. Swabs. So for the sterilization, all these listed things we have to hold for 2 hours at 160 degrees Celsius. But for others, just like other pharmaceutical product such as liquid paraffin, dusting powder, and grease. So for the 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, we also do this some pharmaceutical product such as paraffin, dusting powder, and fats and grease. But if we will see next step, so on 150 degrees Celsius, here we will also hold for 2 hours. So what we do at 150 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, here we sterilize sharp instrument, sharp instrument, like example all the instrument used for ophthalmic surgery, ophthalmic surgery. And again we will, if we will do another sterilization at 150 degrees Celsius, here we will hold for 1 hour. So here we will what we can sterilize at temperature of 150 degree Celsius and for 1 hour. So here we can sterilize oil, glycerol, and dusting powder. Dusting powder. Actually, this was given. This was firstly did by British pharmaco. So it was firstly at 150 degrees for 1 hour. We sterilize oil, glycerol, and dusting powder. So it was firstly did by British pharmacopoeia. And next one we will see, that is sterilization control. Means sterilization control that indicate that sterilization has been finished, or so there are physical agent, physical, chemical, and biological. Which biological agent which indicate that we have finished our sterilization agent. So if we will go for the physical agent, so here we will get temperature monitoring by thermoscopes. Next one is chemical agent. Actually, in chemical agent, what we get, that there is a brown tube, or you can say it is also called a green spot. So a brown tube or green spot. Actually, these are used is used so that we can get, or we can notice that our sterilization has been finished. So if here we will say that how this indicate that sterilization has been finished, by producing a green color, by producing a green color product. So if we will chemical agent, here we will use a brown tube. So brown tube actually, if sterilization has finished, so it will produce a green color product, that indicate that your sterilization has been finished. So here we will get that how we will, how uh, if you will see one at 1 degree Celsius, after 60 minutes it will occur. And as we know that 150 degrees Celsius, at 150 degrees Celsius, if it all this time taken is 150 minute. Actually, that suggests complete sterilization. Sterilization. And for the biological indication, we use a heat resistant spore. Heat resistant spore of a non toxic strain of Clostridium tetani or Bacillus subtilis. So it is a biological indication. As we see, chemical agent and physical agent. So all these agents indicate that for the sterilization, that sterilization has been completed.